So we have a beautiful day outside right now. It looks like the weather's going to be good for at least 3 hours, and then they're predicting it to get very cloudy and rainy. But in the meantime, we never want to miss any little gap we can. Now, I think I'm just going to move the radar detector over to the RD. I'm ready for a short ride on the RD. I love just being able to escape out of here. It's such a good feeling, and I come back 18 years old. Sometimes. Well, I did one time when I was 18. So the plan today is to be out of here and be back within 3 hours because Karen would like to go to the gardening center today. And of course it's always important to keep the fish happy, the birds happy, and most of all, keep Karen happy. So as I'm getting ready to feed the fish, I see they're not shy or bashful at all today. I'll be right there, boys. We got to check the two-stroke oil. Make sure we have a little, not running out of two-stroke oil. That could ruin your whole day. So the fish don't seem to care whether I feed them as soon as I wake up, or if I wait 10 minutes and have coffee on my own. Anyway, it is really looking like it's a great day. Now the only problem today is they're predicting rain. 3 hours from now it's supposed to get cloudy and rainy. So we're going to take advantage of this part of the country, and take advantage of every minute we can. So when I get back from the ride, we're going to go to the gardening center. What else do we do in the summer? Oh, let's do some more planting. I was thinking motorcycle mall. No. I heard no. Oh my God. I'll be back. So now we just need to see if it's our lucky day. Radar detector is mounted up. Two-stroke oil is topped off. Coffee in my belly is full. All the animals are fed. And the wife is preparing her list for the garden center. What could be better? So here, the poor guy thought I broke down. That's a 42-year-old motorcycle. Always doing what two strokes do best. That's why we love two strokes. So we're back from a really, really nice ride. The sun stayed out, but it looks like it may get cloudy a little later. And we're headed off to the garden center. So today's operation, with Karen's supervision of course, we have a bunch of hostas to plant, a bunch of other little stuff that can't go in the ground yet, and we got to start digging and moving things around. So this is how our day started out with before Karen designed her new garden. And we're going to be making a few changes. Of course, this is where we do all our painting. And luckily, we're pretty much done painting for the year. So Karen's got a free palette now to look at her planting. Yeah, it doesn't look like a lot of work. That really was. So Karen basically laid these out. We're just temporarily using that pot to spot them. We're going to put a hydrangea in the middle, and these hostas usually grow well in our area. We've got a couple dozen of them in the yard already. Now it's time to dig. Dig we must.
A nice hot shower tomorrow.
Okay, so I need a hot shower. Now look at the hot shower. What I need is the fountain of youth. So Karen's, are you happy, baby? She's happy. We got to go pick out a hydrangea next time we're at the gardening center. And because all our shop work is kind of caught up here, we can spend a little extra time here. Hope you enjoy sharing our garden.